The MDS Blender revolutionizes onboard connectivity with an intuitive interface that simplifies network and device management. Enjoy download speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second using a hybrid solution with LEO satellites and 5G systems. Connect your vessel network to US or UK IP addresses without a VPN, facilitating easy access to local content. Monitor your connectivity in real time via a mobile app, manage bandwidth, and receive data usage alerts. Experience uninterrupted connectivity with advanced failover and 24/7 technical support available via phone, messaging, email, and video calls. In conclusion, the MDS Blender represents a paradigm shift in yacht electronics, offering a robust, user-friendly solution for managing onboard connectivity. Its innovative features and comprehensive support make it an indispensable tool for modern vessels seeking to optimize their communication infrastructure.